50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 31. Inner Strength. Dear God, strengthen me from within. Give me the courage to face challenges head-on and to overcome any obstacles that come my way. Amen.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Believe in your dreams, even when no one else does.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world. For unity, for a happier world.
Unity is the antidote to division, hatred, and discrimination.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a reminder that we are here to learn, to grow, and to evolve as spiritual beings.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.